New at 10, helping veterans living with mental health issues. Tonight, we honor our fallen heroes, but experts say we must not forget about our veterans. As WAAY 31 weekend anchor Rob Sneed explains, one local mental health expert says there's help out there for people struggling in silence.
I spoke with a woman who says she knows firsthand what veterans go through. She says that she not only counsels them, but she's also in the service herself. She says it's important to extend a hand to veterans who may need one.
This day is just about remembering those who have gone before me, who have paved the way for me to be still in the fight.
But Candace Jules says it's important to support veterans. She's a licensed clinical social worker at Huntsville Psychotherapy and Counseling Services and is currently a first-class petty officer in the Navy. The Huntsville native enlisted back in 2006 and deployed to many places, including Kuwait. She now knows firsthand the effects this can have.
You move frequently, that could cause your spouse not to be able to be as committed to their careers. There are a multitude of sacrifices that the service member and their family makes.
Jules says many times veterans have a hard time adjusting to civilian life.
When you transition from active duty back to civilian life, if you don't have a job set up right away, it's hard to get an apartment if you haven't been working somewhere for a long time.
But she says organizations like Operation Homefront helps veterans transition. But when the mental strain becomes too much to bear,
call somebody, call me, let's talk about it.
Jules says you don't have to suffer in silence. So many times she's counseled veterans dealing with depression and other mental health issues.
It is not a sign of weakness to seek help. If you were to cut your arm right now, I bet you rush to the nearest hospital. But it's not the same when you're dealing with something, maybe nightmares or intrusive thoughts or feelings that you wouldn't otherwise feel if you weren't going through something.
In Huntsville, with coverage you can count on, Rob Sneed, WAAY 31 News.